First blood. Double kill. Blood. Double kill. Double kill. Double kill! kill. Double kill. First blood. Double kill. Double kill. Triple kill. blood. Double kill. First blood. Double kill. Double kill. kill. First blood. Ace! First blood. kill. Double kill. First blood. Double kill. First blood. First blood. Double kill. First blood. Double kill. blood. Double kill. First blood. Double kill. First blood. Double kill. First blood. Double kill. First blood. Double kill.
hard and learning, never stopping searching, yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me, I took action working, writing down these words.
No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something, I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by, but I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon, and I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction, cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. Yeah, maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not, think a straight kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. You're never gonna make it. There's no way that but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Crowd
clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. When you're undressed, I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She's got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, 'cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it, I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest, I'm just doing everything I promise, 'cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest. 'Cause I promise you that I'm just getting started, and I promise you that my skills are getting sharper. So I'ma get charted, can't be guarded. Nah, I'm the one to get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it, yeah. Bitch, you got me fucked up, I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup, we bout to turn up. Crank this shit up so loud, sounds like we're sold out. In front of a whole crowd, we lose control now. I'll take this shit too personally, everybody got a different version of me. Everybody gotta be learning from me, everybody wanna be working with me. And I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, we change our minds constantly, so stop and breathe and find out who you wanna be. Failure ain't an option, so I'll be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me. Failure ain't an option, so I'll be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me. I don't give a fuck if you got a college degree. Did you learn anything? Really worth anything? 200 grand later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than what we're earning. Best lesson I've learned is to keep on searching. Find your true passion and get to work. And better take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up, no act. So you better raise yourself to set. Tell the world that you suck on that. Don't come back, pack your bags. Take
First
a trip,
blood.
Don't relax. You hit the switch and just attack. You find your niche and make some racks. Don't hold back. Everybody wake up. It's time to break up with the life you made.
Double kill.
Trade up, live the life you want now. A life you don't doubt. I could give a fuck how. Just get your wit out. Wake up, man, this life is a blur. Everyone's got an opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from. Don't give up on the dream, it is what you deserve. So I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, never ain't an option. Don't be cautious, I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. I will not quit, no, because I got this. Don't try to stop me.
Double kill. blood.
Stay up, it felt so right. So dumb, we would get drunk and then hook up. It's okay, we're alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. Love, 'cause it's like a good drive.
Triple kill.
Riding so far, play your guitar, you show me your heart. Let down our guards, speak with our hearts, stare at the stars, we were never apart. Drinking drunk, having fun, out in the sun, or being gone, took you now I remember everything.
First blood.
And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be.
Triple kill.
It felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud. We were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends, days, alone with we were reckless. Love to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side, finally alive. We would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. For today, I'll get so cold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
First blood.
And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless
First blood. Double kill. Triple kill.
my hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching. Something finally turning, something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be confident, ass dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I make promises. You ain't stopping this, cross my shit. Consequence, I got this, I will not quit. I'm on it, I'm gonna launch quick, and I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the top. Under my prime, just quit my 9 to 5. I'm rocking, they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live my die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the fun.
First blood.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will work when I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the props and I'm toxic. Spitting logic. Think I'm lost it. On it.
working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Front row, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, and I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, looking for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time back from my nine to
First
five.
blood.
Back my fucking life, I just wanna feel alive.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up.
Double kill.
Yeah, I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfuckers, to get back from these haters, playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion in depths when it happens. Factions take action, scratching their captions. It's happening. I'm raising my status, facing the madness. I'm out getting traction, avoid the distractions. I'm snapping the matches, attracting reactions, adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits. I don't fucking have it. I'm fucking grabbing. I am never static, massively active, expanding, backslid, playing into habits. So I will go after it, and I'ma stay after it. I'm gonna fucking master it. Put them on blasted, they will never last it. Don't be so dramatic. Not my demographic. This shit is democratic. They grow the back.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, time must move along. Push myself in the west, time with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message starts to spread. And I had so many dreams, when you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means.
Double kill.
So I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And all I know is to live what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
First blood.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label.
Triple kill.
I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
old heart impact. Hateful scars, in fact, I blast. Hateful bars, in fact, I back. Put my actions back, don't ask. Grab reactions, jacked attack with every word. Then act in class as they hear me. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused. Call the shots that they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finding loose. Keep the news so hard to use. I need the views to through a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now. Y'all go rest in peace. Now you're dead to me, so peace out. Remember, you're discreet now. Get ready for defeat now. I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen up, repeat now and we we make a change. If you got to speak your mind before your way. Cause your life is on the same. And nobody gonna change. Everybody stays the same.
First blood.
Always getting closer, marching till it's over. And just like a soldier,
Double kill.
I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer, marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer, marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer, marching till it's over.
It's ridiculous, I'm spitting this ridiculous and limitless. While others out there spitting shit, got hit on the charts and said, I see why other artists quit. People don't reward good shit, they love to hate but hate to live. Society is swing and miss, and honestly I get it. Promise me you won't regret it. Wasting energy, forget it. Don't look back, go on and get it. Bite the bullet just a bit, bite your tongue and don't say shit. Make your actions hard to miss, be a legend, not a myth. Yeah, obnoxious, that I'm conscious. I've been honest, try to honest. I've been honest, it's a long quest. I will not put your pain. Other people going off when I drop this. I gotta make it now.
Double kill. Triple kill.
In the stage, cause I gotta figure it out. I'm just on it, getting loud. Saying modest, but I'm proud. No, I never had it out. Yeah.
Soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer, marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer, marching till it's over.
Ace.
Just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer, marching till it's over. I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer, marching till it's over. Keep on moving forward. Always getting closer, marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer, I'm marching till it's over. I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I'll make mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night, and there ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, taking pride, that's the thing. Every night, got a team, I've been tied to the scene.
First blood.
Okay, it's a dream, and I'm going as a team. One day, it'll be me. If I want it, then I'll get it. And dad, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win. I'm just living for today, for a minute. I just lose it, have no shame. To see if I succeed, to see if I to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best cause I see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no motion.
Double kill.
Devotion, just living close, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, let it up. You got one life to pop. Thinking big, never small. Cause you gotta want it all. When you find it, you need a hand up. Stand up, change your dance now. You don't have a chance now. You ain't the man now. Make your private plan now. It ain't even man now. To see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.
First blood. Double kill.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I'm faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way. Getting up, have to blow back up. If I never let the doubt creep in, gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you win. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself, I don't really understand need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone. It's so cold outside, I'm alone.
First blood. Double kill.
Yeah, let's go. I don't wanna break down. Always feel like but I never get into that place now. I never let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do. I just wanna be the best, call me crazy now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. Better days on the playground. I'm doing when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma be inside and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. So cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone.
First blood. Double kill.
guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, the cars, shoot for the stars. So I started today, found the passion for music never went away. I joined a couple bands, made a few shows, tried to impress the girl in the front row. But soon enough, everything starts to change. As you grow up, nobody treats you the same. They try to take your future and make you real safe. You could be a doctor, accountant, or something sane. But yo, whatever happened to the sky was the limit. I fell in love with music, never thought it was a gimmick. I worked so hard on every tune and every single lyric. My whole identity depended on being artistic. Now you wanna strip that away, so you feel okay? Cause if I make it to the top, what does that really say? That you shouldn't have given up, that you made the mistake? But if I fail, you feel much better about picking your lane, right? Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do.
First blood.
Just keep pushing through. Yo, what you got?
Triple kill.
Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose, 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 got to lose. I won't give up, I won't back down. Until the line 6 years underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. I won't give up, I won't back down. Until the line 6 years underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now.
First blood.
And let's be honest, life's a competition. So if you go on to play, then I'm gonna play to win. I'm at a desk all day unless I have a passion I'm working towards, okay? I'd rather be dead on the outside than inside. I pull it to the head, 25 to life in a cubicle alone, just trying to get by, building someone else's
Double kill. Triple kill.
This is meant to inspire. If you have a dream or if you have desires, a girl in your life that's making you feel that fire. Go fight for her man, go die for her man. Cause you only have one life, one chance to do it, one chance to prove it to yourself, so don't lose it. You gotta keep pushing on. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view. We're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. Yo, what you got to lose? What you got to lose? Yo, what you got to lose? Just keep pushing through. It's what you got to lose.
First blood.
I won't give up, I won't back down. I need the deep ground. I won't give up.
Double kill.
Except for me. I need the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. I got the formula and I'm about to talk you down. There's no talking now. We take action with passion, we're rocking now. It's tick talking now. And all I hear is haters try so hard to talk me down, but they can't stop the sound. I'm already on the round. Everything is growing faster than I can count. You ain't gonna stop me now, because I got this now. I got the formula and I'm run it loud. So what you talking about? There's no talking now. We take action with passion, we're rocking now. It's tick talking now. The clock's talking down. And all I hear is haters try so hard to talk me down, but they can't stop the sound. Already on the ground. Everything is growing faster than I can count. I can
First blood.
You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let the beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stuff. Drunk off the goose, yeah, thinking that I'm too tough. Getting caught with a few thoughts, cause I'm too lost.
Triple kill.
What I got, I want to spray my energy and I'm stop. I'm motivated by enemies, setting up shop so everybody understand how I am. Not going through life progressively. I'd rather work non-stop. What they call incessantly than want some more job just to live life pleasantly. Already got lost in my mind, not a fantasy. I'm getting with a forgotten soul, so stop, drop, and roll. You lost all control and pop off your ball. I got squat, I fold. I'm not bought, I'm sold. My stock rocks, it's gold. Hey, knock, knock, she home. It's shit, talk to close. I ain't stopping though. It's hip hop, you know, or is it rock and roll? I'm not dropping down, no, my pocket's grown. You can't stop the show, so get rockin' up.
So let me break it all down for you.
I ain't never giving up, I ain't never
You know
giving
I'm
up.
taking that crown from you.
I ain't worried about you, I ain't
So
never
let me
giving up.
break it all down for you.
I ain't never giving up, I ain't never
You know
giving
I'm
up.
taking that crown from you.
I ain't worried about you, I ain't gonna make it.
I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up now. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up.
Hard words like a weapon, attack with no questions. In my own section and they still disconnected, cause their mind's been infected and they're filled with objection. Too filled for recollection, so we're losing all attention. They don't know I'm in contention, cause I'm gaining their attention, cause I'm making a connection. Lyricism and aggression got me feeling my ascension. In my passion, my profession, I'm attacking my obsession, taking action and progressing. I go off on the enemy, that's what makes them scared of me. Make my plans carefully, then execute them daringly. They say I act recklessly, but that's why I'm effective. See, you can't predict my tendencies, I offer no transparency. So people think I'm lost, others think I'll be a legend. I'm never gonna stop till I'm one above second. And my thoughts at the top, but my mind stay present. Don't let your dreams stop, cause dreaming is a
They tell
blessing.
me all the same, told me I won't make a name, but it's not about the fame, it's about keeping me sane. So I stay within my lane, feel my blood pump through my veins, feel adrenaline, no pain, welcome all to my domain. So let me break it all down for you.
I ain't never giving up, I ain't never
You know
giving
I'm
up.
taking that crown from you.
I ain't worried about you, I ain't never
So let me
giving up.
break it all down for you.
I ain't never giving up, I ain't never
You know
giving
I'm
up.
taking that crown from you.
I ain't worried about you, I ain't
So
never
let me
giving up.
break it all down for you.
I ain't never giving up, I ain't never
You know
giving
I'm
up.
taking that crown from you.
I ain't worried about you, I ain't never
So let me
giving up.
break it all down for you.
I ain't never giving up, I ain't never
You know I'm
giving up.
taking that crown from you.
I ain't worried about you, I ain't gonna make
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping, I'm nasty. Ain't nobody able to catch me, they gasping. They cannot compare, they can't match me, I'm at half speed. I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me. Smash with me, she savage, she wants cash money, and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand. I got a plan, I'm the man. Now I'm teaching the game, a veteran better than Anybody else who tests me, I'm ready. Looking in my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hearing me laugh. All the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming. Ain't nothing, yeah, rookie of the year. I'ma keep it 100, cold-blooded, no budget. From nothing to something, I ain't bluffing. I got a full hand and a full plan. I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man. Every single drop got me feeling awesome. I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want in life.
Yeah, let's go. I'm unstoppable, do the impossible. I'm irresponsible, yet I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal, I'm dropping bombs, you know. No, I'm not stopping, no. Conquer the obstacle. To the top, here I go, think I'm chosen to be the king of rock, think the people have spoken. I can hear the tick-tock of the clock, I'm in motion. So now I'm gonna pop, causing all this commotion.
Yeah, sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, ready to go, man, lock and load. That's right, I swear to God that I could drop it, bro. Yeah, I got a shot and I ain't stopping, no. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.
Yeah, let's go. I don't care what they all say. That's right. I'ma do this thing my way. Let's go. Been grinding hard on it all day. Okay. We work hard, then we all play. Yeah. I'm addicted to the grind, man. That's right. So I refuse to waste time, man. Yeah. One day it all will be fine, man. Let's go. Gotta commit to the climb. You know we're back with the Guinness, setting records every minute, every track. In addiction to the fact that we're winning, still we lack something's missing. Need a track that is hitting, making racks, making millions. If you ask, that's the mission. I don't waste time, no, I make time. All these people wanna hate, fine, I'ma make mine. While you sitting there complaining, I'll be training. While you sitting there just waiting, I'm creating.
Yeah, sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, ready to go, man, lock and load. That's right, I swear to God that I can drop it, bro. Yeah, I got a shot and I ain't stopping, no. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable. Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how I'm putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the nose. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. Hate me, shit a try. It is a style, hey. Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about you, yo. The word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Till you found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Don't think it, no, just take it. For someone to break it, take control, then don't just take it. You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. You can be it, I'm not coming back. Who hold me down, and I'm moving forward, and I will never miss my chance to do now.
First blood.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. Falling and it's worth everything I have.
I can feel the butterflies multiply every time I meet your eyes. Amplified deep inside, once I feel your skin on mine. Though I try, I can't hide all the ways I feel inside. You're everything I want in life.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have.
Got a body and she naughty, never want her off me. Hot like wasabi, hot like some coffee. We drink like a hobby, like to get sloppy. We ain't never stop,
Yeah, I just wanna drink with this girl all day. I don't wanna think, I just want to play. Keep me underneath the sheets while we sleep all day. I just wanna feed everything I crave.
I recall the first day that I met you. How could I forget you? No, I don't regret you. Hope I don't upset you. I miss laying in bed too. Your head up on my chest, you were never second best, boo.
Sipping on some liquor, we remember all the good times. Live a little quicker, thinking bigger.
Double kill.
Look up in the mirror, see it clear for the first time. Couple sinners, man, I wish I could reverse time.
Yeah, we fake it till we make it, or we break it off and hate it. Getting faded, getting naked. Every time I feel impatient, and sometimes I can't escape it. I just wanna feel you shaping, like my dreams. I can't sit back, I have to chase them.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have.
First blood.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, feel a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, keep me baby till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. Whenever
Double kill.
and y'all know I love you. Cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything and now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. They don't know I never grow up. I keep working till the point I grow up. Cross me, it was written over. Impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working till the point I throw up.
Double kill.
Oh yeah, I'm not the type to take no for an answer. I don't deal with people that are like a cancer. No, instead I hang with the people that enhance ya. And I'm not the type to give out second chances. I just wanna work on my own for myself. I don't need no, anybody else. I got it. I'm working on my wealth and I'm working on my. I'm working to excel 'cause I'm working on myself. Yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I don't, yeah. And now I'm ready taking over. 'Cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up.
First blood.
And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up.
And I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I'm not a novice, don't be the best, so be there. But you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. And I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so breathe there. But you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. You already know.
Yeah, that's right. Y'all better watch out. Nefex is on the rise. Yeah.
First blood. Double kill. Triple kill.
Girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook. I don't do it by the book, but for you, look, don't know what you're doing. Sweet and spicy like a cook. How can you deal? Let's make a deal. Get out your heels, come on the wheel. Back to my place at the top of the hill. Don't ever rest, I know what's next. She's back in a sec. Look at the legs, don't make me beg. Back to the room, let me show you my bed. Your body feels like taking on a drug. Got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to put it down. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. I could look at you, rush away. Love your body, so I pray. Don't you dare take it away. Can't control what I say. Lost my mind, 'cause you're blind. What's your name? Just like the wind. Emotion, my feeling.
First blood.
I broke it. Stay yeah, you got me feeling numb. Taking on your body, cause I'm taking on your drugs. Got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Say something, yeah. Yeah, I don't know where she came from, but goddamn, I wanna say something. She was down, heard through the grapevine, she a great time. Yeah, it should be a goddamn crime to look that damn fine. Gotta lock her up and throw away the key. Or you can lock her up and give the key to me. Take it down low, drop it down to the ground floor, the ground floor. I just wanna go and explore, ooh baby, I just want more, I want more. Got a body like a rock star, yeah, that shit is looking
First blood.
You rock hard, I would put her on the roster,
Double kill.
the roster, cause she keeps on getting hotter and hotter. Ooh baby, let's go. She doesn't take it slow, she's putting on a show. She's acting like a pro. Oh baby, let's go. She doesn't take it slow, she's putting on a show. She's acting like a pro. Oh baby, let's go. She looking straight from the city. Oh man, she looking so pretty. Goddamn, I'd like to get busy. Yeah, so baby girl, come with me. Yeah, we take it outside, oh yeah. Wanna stay up all night, oh yeah. Wanna get it all right, oh yeah. Now she wanna check it out. She got a fine ass body with her head all straight, and she looks a little naughty, but they say okay. Now I wanna get a drink, just you and me. I don't really wanna think, I just wanna be. She giving third-degree burns, man, I think I need a doctor. Got me concerned, cause she got me out of bothered. Everything she earned, didn't get it from her father. Many think I learned, but she turns me to a monster. She doesn't take it slow, she's putting on a show. She's acting like a pro. Oh baby, let's
First
go.
blood.
She doesn't take it slow, she's putting on a show. She's acting like a pro. Oh baby, let's go.
Triple kill.
I'm in it. I'm hella filthy, so I got this, I'm winning. I'm not a quitter, so I'm not fucking quitting. Just try to stop me and you'll drop dead missing. I'm on my way to the top now, listen. I ain't never gonna stop, too driven. I ain't never getting lost, got vision. I'ma make this shit hot, ignition. Yeah, don't give me facts, not fiction. The I'm on a fucking mission. Man, you got to be driven, cause this world is unforgiving. You're the only one that's winning, or the only one that's quitting. So get up and stay committed, don't be asking for permission. Hit the gas after ignition and start acting like you're winning. Make your own damn decisions, don't let others make you victims. Have a thought and have a vision, don't get caught up in the millions.
Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up.
I'm on it. Give me 5 years and I got what I wanted. I'ma go ahead and finish all that I started. I'ma go ahead and get it all uncharted. I can make this place go off like a rocket. I can give a fuck if you hate it or you love it. I don't do this shit cause I think that you want it. I just do this shit cause I know that I want it. I could give a fuck if I die today. If I'ma go out, it's my fucking way. At least I'll go out with some pride to my name. With the fight that I play, that's my fucking way, ho. Y'all can sit back and think you heard the best of me. I can guarantee that you haven't seen the rest of me. I can guarantee that this shit's gonna be my destiny. And I will never sleep till I make it, then I'll rest in peace.
Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up.
Masih tapi fan out.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back.
You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not, think a straight kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south.
You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it,
but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back?
YouTube Premium adalah YouTube bebas iklan dan video bebas iklan di aplikasi YouTube Kids. Coba 1 bulan gratis.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, teens, I try to find out what it do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. Thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all the start, it's my own thing. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
First blood. Triple kill.
I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only I'ma show you all the love. If you want it bad, I'll show you where it's at, yeah, how you can do it. Cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working till I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like the gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until the fun. Always do it on my own, so I gotta do it. And the young always feel what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna be moving. Yeah, I put out on the stars, it's my only destiny. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed with my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
First blood.
Able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but yeah, I'm going to win, yeah.
Double kill. Double kill.
All day and all night, we stayed young, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so young.
okay. Till the sunrise, we were in love. Couldn't stop us, but we still tried.
We hook up in my car, driving so far. It's hard, you show me your heart. Let our guards think with our hearts. Stare with the scars, we were never apart. Waiting too long, way too much fun. Out in the sun, nothing when it's gone. Take it all, take our song, take all I
First blood.
Late now, remember everything. And how
Double kill.
and how could be. And how could be.
Triple kill.
And how could be. Late nights, long nights, felt right. We drove out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, reckless,
out late, testing our fate, running away, we live for today. I'll be so bold, never get old. What we're told, we can't.
First blood. Double kill.
Kamu lagi nonton sikat gigi mainin lagunya Billie Eilish. Tapi kamu tahu nggak kalau ada aplikasi YouTube Music di mana kamu juga bisa dengerin versi EDM, ska, dan tentu saja versi aslinya. Dapatkan YouTube Music Premium.
and how careless we could be. We could be. And how
First blood. Double kill.
Aplikasi YouTube Music punya berbagai playlist bebas iklan khusus untuk pendengaranmu. Dan marimu.
She's a lie. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, but she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I'm never hesitating. But she's got me captivated, so I guess I'm gonna play it, yeah. You gotta ride it.
Dengerin cover lainnya dari artis favoritmu di aplikasi YouTube Music.
First blood. Double kill.
When you're undressed, you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple friends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriend, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Nobody really knows. They say she looks young, they say she acts old. So everything I know is proud of her. All the boys say she's from the heavens, but that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil stuck in my mind. Obsessed.
Double kill. Double kill.
YouTube Premium adalah bebas iklan. YouTube dan YouTube Music bebas iklan. Coba 1 bulan gratis.
Knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I'm faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now, she hates me now. I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel alone. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow. The doubt creeping. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so
First blood.
I'm alone. It's so
Double kill.
I'm alone.
picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground. Find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, I'ma take a path. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be dead.
First blood.
That was always the case. I'm alone. It's so cold outside. I'm alone. I'm alright.
Double kill.
Premium adalah YouTube bebas iklan dan video bebas iklan di aplikasi YouTube Kids. Coba satu bulan gratis.
First blood. Double kill.
Don't see success in me. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just watch me go. Show me success and watch me go. On my quest, I'ma make it home. Call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no.
First blood. Double kill.
To me, they don't wanna be bad enough to get a C. They'd rather just go leave it be. I know this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning. All the I take everything. Got me
No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just living right. But I'll tell you I'm just fine. Say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
First blood. Double kill.
playlist The Shortlist bersama dengan semua yang lagi trending di YouTube Choice. Dengarkan sekarang.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and believe. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I'll make mistakes, but mistakes make me strong. Let's make it from me. The crown, I'll get it. You give me that man, I'm working.
First blood.
Grit. And this is just the beginning. I'm closing in and I'm getting. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream. Living right, that's the thing. Every night got a team. Every time to the same. Out on stage, here I sing. Okay, it's a dream. And I pray as a team. One day it be me. If I want it, then I'll get it. Head down, don't regret it.
Double kill.
If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay. I just visit, have no shame. I admit it. Looking on me to see if I succeed. To see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now. Best of me now. Best of me now. Best of me. They want the best of me now. Best of me now. Best of me now. Best of me.
First blood.
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. As they see us making moves. What I want is
Triple kill.
staying focused. My mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion. You're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay close, man. Never stop, never stop. There ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up. You got one life to fall. Thinking big, never small. 'Cause you got it on your life. I'ma get that cup. Take it on, need a hand out. I already stand out. Starting to advance now. Ready to extend now. You don't have a chance now. 'Cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now. Feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed. To see if I believe. They're looking they want the best of me now. Best of me now. Best of me now. Best of me. They want the
First blood.
best of me now. Best of me now. Best of me.
Triple kill.
Steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I be don't get caught in it, I'll be popping off and hit your ass dropping all your shit. You got promises, I got promises. Cross my shit, you'll be mad if I just got this, I'm on it, honest.
First blood.
And moving on to my grind. With my 9 to 5, I'm rocking. They watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these thousands.
Double kill.
Live my life. I wish I could slow the time and just enjoy the climb. rock, but I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop it? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. I'm profit, chronic. I think I'm the fucking boss. That's better, freaking back. And I'm back to the left.
First blood.
We attack, get a back. Don't react, don't react. Become black, up his back. While I'm rap, not the step. Going down, give a crap. We're the fans of the man. Got a plan better than most brands. Got a stand on the rock. Never lie, never rock. I don't rock.
Double kill.
YouTube Premium adalah bebas iklan. YouTube dan YouTube Music bebas iklan. Coba 1 bulan gratis.
I've been in and out the studio, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it zone, and you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, until I'm chose one. Well, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them, baby. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, would you grade me? All the social media, it's got me going crazy, baby. Everything's invaded, everyone's invaded. Privacy is
First blood.
just wanna make it. This good shit, living in the real world.
Double kill.
I just wanna feel alive.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. And I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it. Take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the greatest. Got the I'm raising my status. Facing the madness. I'm out gaining traction. Avoid the distractions. I'm snapping, no captions. Attracting reactions. Adapting, attacking. Commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits. I don't fucking ask bitch. I just fucking grab it. I am never static. Massively active. Expanding. Backslid. Planning to have it. So I will go capture it. And I'ma stay after it. I'm gonna fucking master it. Put them on blast it. They will never last it. Don't be so dramatic. Not my demographic. This shit is democratic. They vote effects. Yeah, bitch.
YouTube Premium adalah YouTube bebas iklan dan akses eksklusif ke semua konten VIP. Kamu pun bisa menikmati sepuasnya dari
First blood.
YouTube Premium lebih dari
I don't care what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listen to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest. I'm just doing everything I promise that I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'm gonna be the one that worked the hardest. Cause I promise you that I'm just getting started. And I promise you that my skills are getting sharper, so I'ma get started. Can't be guarded. Nah, I'm the one that get restarted. Get the party started. Yeah, get the party started. Yeah, you got me fucked up. Put that shit in my cup. We got to turn up. So loud. Sounds like we're sold out. In front of a whole crowd. We get control now. Personally, better than a version of me. What we gotta do is learn to be. Everybody wanna be working with me, and I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency to find out what I want to be. That I'm not changing my mind's not stop breathing. Find out you.
Suka lagu ini? Cek di playlist The Shortlist Music. Akan sekarang.
First blood. Double kill. Double kill.
Until I'm nauseous, cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me. Options. So
take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. You better clean up your act. So you better raise up the step. And tell the world they can suck on that. Don't come back, pack your bags, take your back. Hit the switch and just attack. You find your hit and make some wax. Don't go back.
First blood.
It's time to break up with the life you made up. It's time to trade up. Live the life you want now. Her life you don't doubt. Give a fuck now. Just get your wit out.
Double kill.
It's a blur. Everyone's got an opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from an entrepreneur. Don't give up on your dream if it's what you deserve.
Kamu bisa berlangganan streaming dan aplikasi, atau cukup bayar YouTube Premium Rp59.000 untuk sebulan. YouTube Premium dengan 1 bulan gratis.
First blood.
Watching, don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous. Cause I want this. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop this. So I be cautious.
Double kill.
Suka lagu ini? Cek di playlist The Shortlist bersama dengan semua yang lagi trending di YouTube Shorts. Dengarkan sekarang.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack. Fast, fatal, hard impact. Past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions. Fact, don't ask. Grab reactions. Jacked attack with every word. Then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose. Cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused. Call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose. Pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now. Y'all can rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out. Remember, you're discreet out. Get ready for defeat now. I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen on repeat now and read out all the weak now. Get up and make a change. Don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before your grave. Cause your life is yours to save. Ain't nobody gonna change. Everybody stays the same. So be different, make a name, huh?
I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, marching to